Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that your camera application on your Honor 6s is starting very slowly. So here we do have some older phones, so don't worry, it's quite normal, but abnormal is starting the application for about 10 seconds. At first we need to go to the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to the battery. Here we have to tap this gear icon in the top right corner, here, and here we do have something called close excessively power intensive apps. We can disable it. Now, of course, it should be enabled. It's because it's very helpful, but your camera can be sometimes very power intensive app. So yeah, it may be closed or it may be turned on slower than usual. Apart from that, keep some RAM in your phone free when turning on the camera application. Tap the square icon in the bottom right corner and turn off the applications that are unused for you. And it should help you. If it didn't help you, you have to now go back to the settings and here go to the apps again. Well, maybe not again, but go to apps. Tap camera, and here you have to go into memory. Not memory, pardon me, into the data usage here. Data usage, storage. Oh my goodness, everything is about storaging and it's difficult to remember. Here we can both clear data and cache, but as you can see, both clears when we tap clear data. It should help us. I don't really mean that but it should help us very much. Apart from that, you can update your application, but here as you can see we don't have any updates, or use any other application which is the camera. We can go to the Play Store and search for the camera apps. As you can see, I'm not signed in, so I won't show you this actually because it will be long, or maybe I will. Wait a moment. Okay, I won't show you this, but you can download any other camera application which is suitable for you and more comfortable for you. It should help you. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. If you have any questions for me, comment, ask in the comments below, because I am here to help you. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.